Hey guys, my name is Costa and today I'm gonna use AI to convert this sketch right here into a prototype. So let's get started. I'm inside MagicPad. This is the tool that I'm gonna use today. I'm gonna click on this green icon to create a new component and start a new chat. Now I'm gonna drag inside the chat this sketch that I created. And before I ask MagicPad to create any prototype, I'm gonna ask to explain what do you see in this image? Press enter and MagicPad says that this looks like a wireframe for a web page with a top navigation bar and a hero title section and a sidebar short text area and a grid of image or content cards below. Would you like to turn this into a React component? I'm gonna say turn this into a hero section component and make sure you follow the exact same layout. Press enter. Okay, so this is what we received. Actually, this looks cool, but it's a wireframe. So I don't want a wireframe, but a hero section with the same layout, just use real content. Cool, so that is what we have from the second prompt. I like the navbar a lot. What I'm gonna do now is click on edit component and I would like to see if I can change the images to something else. So I'm gonna select this one right here and apparently I can. Just let's make sure. Okay, so that is interesting. I would like actually to have individual images. I'm gonna click on save first and I'm gonna click on ask MagicPad again and I'm gonna ask unlink the image gallery so that I can upload individual images. Right now, when I upload one image, it applies to the 4 other cards, and I want it to apply only one card and press enter. Alright, so let's click on edit and let's try now to edit again these images individually. I'm gonna click and delete this gradient. It has some gradient on top and I'm gonna delete each gradient and then let's change the images. Okay, so I'm gonna upload a different image just to test out and see if it works. Yes, it works. It is great. Next, what I'm gonna like to do is I'm gonna ask MagicPad to reduce the radius of each image to 0%. Cool, so now we don't have any radius. This is amazing. I'm gonna click on edit component again and this time let's start by removing maybe let's remove all this text right here and even this div and this line of text. And now I'm gonna select this div and switch to flex. Then let's align to the bottom. Alright, it is looking good. I'm gonna go to Figma now, select this text right here, go back to MagicPad and paste it. And also let's change the headline to hist. Okay, and then let's go back to Figma, select this text, change the sub headline. All right, I'm gonna make sure that it is actually 400 maybe, and this one 400 as well. And let's add the gap to this of 80 pixels maybe, or even 100 pixels, why not? So that is looking great. I'm gonna select the text now, and let's make it smaller. Right now it's 74, I'm gonna make it 56. And this one right here, I'm gonna make it 16. So I'm gonna go back to Figma, select this text right here, and then let's change the color of the headline to this one, and also select the sub headline, add the same color and reduce the opacity to 70%. Looks great. Also, I'm gonna change the font for the sub headline to Roboto. Nice. Now I'm gonna select the entire canvas, the entire hero, and let's see what colors should we add. I'm gonna switch to solid and select this hero, select the color, go back inside Magic Pad and add this color right here. Nice. So that is looking great. I'm gonna change the alignment right here from the bottom to the center like this. Also, let's make this 100 maybe, and now this looks much better. So I'm gonna click on save for now, and this doesn't look bad at all. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna change the images here. So I'm gonna click on edit component again, and let's first remove the gradient, upload a new image, this one right here. Then let's remove this gradient right here, and I'm gonna actually first remove the gradients because it is very annoying. This one as well. Nice. So next I'm gonna upload. Let me actually see the layout right here. So we have this one. Let's click on save once again. And also the headline is not the same as this one. I'm gonna copy this once again and let's paste it inside. Yeah, so now it's better. I'm gonna click on save. So I would like to change a bit the navbar. For example, I would like to change the colors as well. I'm gonna use this color right here. I'm gonna select it and then click on edit component again, and let's see which color we use. Okay, so here's the color, I believe. Yeah, nice. I'm gonna select this color from this text and then paste it over here. Oops. And also here. Okay, and also the logo. Nice. So let's select the white and change it to the background color. I'm gonna click on save now. So yeah guys, we went from this sketch to this hero section, and as you can see, it looks very good. You can find the files in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.